'Cause I'm in love with the salt on your skin when you poo.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, thanks for coming right back to me. And if you are new here, welcome to the family. I am Dolu. I am an Instagram content creator and also a YouTuber. Okay, please follow me on Instagram to get to see me more often. And also, of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing a 4-in-1 GRWM. I'm going to be showing you guys my outfit, my accessories, my makeup, and also my perfume collection. Streetwear, that is my kind of vibe. But some days where I want to just go out of the box, I wear gowns, and most times I really don't like flashy colors. I just like stuff that are neutral or tones that are very similar, or tones that are kind of close to my skin tone, just so that I'm not overdoing anything. Do you guys understand? And for my makeup, I just like going for very simple makeup, and that is basically for accessories. I use a bit of rings, a bit of necklaces, and all those things. And for shoes, it just depends on the outfit all in all that determines the shoe I'm going to be putting on. Basically, the first thing first is the makeup, and I'm going to be starting my makeup. I feel like it's been a while I sat down to do my makeup with you guys, and obviously I've updated a lot of stuff in my makeup routine, and I just felt like it's right to just show you guys, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm going to be starting my makeup now. For my face, I'm going to be using this moisturized glass water. My skin is actually prime, but just for that nice dewy finish, I just like to go in again with a bit of moisturizer. Usually also I use the Fasali Rose Gold Elixir or Unicorn Excellence, but just because I'm not really doing so much with this makeup, I just decided to just prep with this. And after this makeup, I'm going to be going for like a date night with my babe, just to eat and have fun and celebrate New Year. So that's the vibe. That is why you're seeing me dress up and all. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Mary Kay Time White foundation.
This is why I shouldn't be here with you. I lose control, it's supernatural.
To conceal my skin, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro. I really hope this is focusing. In shade Cool Tan. And I'm not going to be applying this religiously in the normal place for concealers, obviously. The outer part of your eyes. Just somewhere here. And somewhere here.
Something about your soul to my mind, like the earth to the moon. And the space between.
So now I'm going to be going into this powder palette. It's called the Miss Rose contour powder palette, and I'm just going to be blending my face with the powder.
Closing in on me makes it hard to breathe, so it seems.
Most of my face is well blended in. I'm going to be going into this Zaron face definer.
Not enough room for the both of us. Time might explain all this perfect pain and what all this means.
I'm going to be going back into the powder familiar. I just kind of set some part of my face that it looks too dark from the contour.
And me, we both been here before.
So guys, to set my face, I'm going to be using Gekomo Oil Contour Banana Powder. This is literally the best banana powder I've ever used. Like, I've been so stuck on benign banana powder for the longest. I'm talking 5-6 years, and I found this one. I was actually very scared because it's very white. If you guys can see, like, it's banana, but like it's on the lighter shade. But I like the fact that any shade can actually use it. A dark skin person can use it, a light skin person can use it, and it still sits well. All you have to do, you don't have to use so much. So I really love this banana powder. I'm just going to be swatching through it using this beauty blender to apply it to my face. And I don't actually need to use a lot, just a little actually goes a long way with banana powder. If I want more definition for my nose, I tend to start to apply the banana powder from the outer part of my nose, just to give my nose more definition.
Gave till there was no more. Took a chance, but what for?
I guess what I'm trying to say. For the other side,
High in the skies, but still soar. I've been looking for
that I have right now, and then I'll just add the leftover that I have on my chin and some part of my forehead, and kind of do like a reverse contour with some of the leftover that I have. No more. I do the same thing for here. Basically, it's for my skin work. I'm going to go into my brows now. For my brows, I actually just got this brow styling soap. I've not used it before. I used it on Kofo just now, and I think I really like the way it turned out. So I'm going to try it out to see if I really want to draw my brows. I just want to use this soap on my brows. So I'm going to add a bit of setting spray on it, just to kind of give it a bit of liquid and then I'll swerve using this brush that it came with. So basically you just have to kind of like move the liquid around it and just get the whole thickness from it. And I'll go ahead to swerve my brows with it.
Real love. Every time I try, I seem to get lost. I really wanna work on my dreams, 'cause I wanna believe in us, yeah.
What I really like brow soap is, I don't know if you guys can pick the difference between this my brows here, this one, and this one that I've not used the soap on. You can really tell like the difference. It just kind of evens out your brows. Go ahead to do the same thing for the second brow now. Now that I'm done with that, to outline my brows, I'm going to go into this brow pencil just to kind of give my brows a bit of definition. And I'm not going to actually do too much because I already love the way my brows look right now. I like my brows just to let it have this very nice finish, to like give it the perfect finish. I'm going to highlight my brows using the shade I used to conceal my face the last time. This brush, although it's not a very flat angled brush, but I should be able to make do with this. And I'm just going to highlight my brows using this, just the underneath of my brows.
100 million reasons why you shouldn't be here with me. Pull me in, energy. Trouble never give no warning. Don't even feel too far.
Done my brows, as you guys can see, like my brows is giving, it's not giving too much, and it's also like really nice. So basically I'm going to be going into my eye. For my eye, I'm not doing so much. I'm just going to blend in the concealer that I added the other time and just kind of fix my lashes. And that's just what I'm going to be up to right now. Back into the palette from earlier, I'm going to be taking one of the lightest shades here just to, you know, kind of blend the base of my eyes with it. I'm obviously not doing too much with my eyes today. And I feel like since summer ended, I've just not been the type to be dramatic with my eye. I don't know for what reason, but yeah, because my eyes do not really have so much going on right now, I'm going to be fixing these very dramatic lashes. Like, I love these lashes so much, and this is the first time I'm going to be fixing it, so I really hope that it sits with my eyes, because my eyes are very small. So anytime I fix lashes, like, it just makes me look like I don't know how to open my eyes anymore. But I'm going to try and see if I'm going to try and see if I like it actually, because I love how, you know, dramatic it is. So yeah, I'm just going to go and fix up these lashes off camera, and then I'll come back and finish up my makeup, and then we get to this next segment of this video. As you can see, I'm done fixing my lashes. Like, these lashes are one of the most dramatic pairs I've ever worn. Like, it is dramatic. My eyes are speaking. But I love it because I'm not having any eyeshadow or anything on, so it just kind of complements for that. I'm going to be going to finish my skin work. To complete my skin work, I'm going to be going into the same powder palette I went to the last time and just kind of blend out the excess setting powder that I have on my face. And once you are blending out, just make sure that you are swirling and also going into the powder, because you want a bit of the setting powder also in your skin, so that those parts you highlighted will kind of pop out, if that makes sense. I'll be going to the side. You see, I'm kind of bluffing out, but at the same time I'm putting a bit of powder on it. Doing the same thing for the side. For the lower part of my eye, I'm going to go into a lighter shade just to make sure that that part is not too dark, it pops. That is why, like, anytime you take pictures, this highlighted part has to pop. So I'll go into a shade a bit lighter than me.
I will never give no warning. Don't even feel too far. Pleasure in the pain. 7 days and 24.
Now that I'm done blending out the very light powder, I'm going to go into another shade of powder that's kind of similar to my tone, just to make sure that this place is not looking too white. Because of the fact that I just blended out something that is white base, I'll go into something that's, you know, is a bit closer to my tone, just to give it that more natural feeling, and it doesn't look too ashy or giving me feedback anytime I take pictures. So as you can see, it looks really nice. I just have my nose bridge to blend out right now, and what I basically do for that one is, just because brushes like this are always too big to get to that region, I like to go into smaller brushes with smaller bridge tools. So I'm going to go into this brush and just try and blend that part out. As I blend out, I'll go into a darker shade of powder also, just to blend it out as I blend out, if that makes sense.
The truth, my heart's beating, it's racing, your touch.
You guys already know my go-to lip combo is always me lining my lips and using the lip gloss. That is usually what I do every time. I line my lip and I use lip gloss, like, period. Moving into the new year, I want to try something different, but for now I've not discovered anything new. But with time, if I have something updated, I'm going to come here and show you guys any updated lippy routine. Let me know if you guys want to see that. So now I'll just go ahead and line my lips, and you know the drill already.
Just to come this far, 'cause you're 7 days and 24 hours on.
And the next thing to do is to set my face. I like to set my face first before I go into my lip gloss. I'm always going back to this You Can Be dewy finish setting spray. Like, I love my makeup really dewy, no matter the season, summer, winter, autumn, spring. I love my makeup dewy because that's just what kind of fits my face. So I'll be going into this dewy setting spray to set my face. So just for extra definition to my eye, I'm going to be using mascara on my bottom lashes. Hopefully I'll get it very well this time. I'm just going to be using this regular white lip gloss to on my lips. If that makes sense. What my final look is looking like. I love this look so much because it doesn't have so much going on, but it's still giving. Like, if I put on my feet on this, as we roll. Let me know what you guys think about this makeup. If you guys want to see a much detailed makeup tutorial, don't worry guys. Like, I really got you guys this year. Like, I want to put out a lot of makeup content this year. I feel like I've been slacking on that a lot. Like, last year I could count the amount of makeup content that I kept out, but this year is going to change. Like, I want to try out that niche just to see if it could work. We never know. So let me know if you guys want to see more updated routines of my makeup. Like, it changes day in, day out. Sometimes I just discover something new, I try it out and I stick with it. You guys got. So let me know if you guys want to see a more detailed one. On to the next section, it has to be the clothes. And for today, I have a particular fit sorted out for today already. Really love to go for neutrals or colors that kind of suit my skin color, and white is that color that always goes with my skin a lot. But for today, I'm going for a gown, which is usually out of my box because I just like wearing streetwear and comfy stuff. But I'm going for a dinner. Obviously, you have to dress it right. So I'm going to be putting on this very nice, cute dress. I love the detailing in the breast region, and I also love how simple the hands are. So this dress fits perfectly. Now, to complement this dress, we're wearing this bucket hat, and this bucket hat is kind of, it has a lot of colors. That is why I decided to go for a white dress, just because white is not choosy. White goes with almost everything, so it's going to do the work that it's supposed to do, and it's going to also like come out in this color. I didn't want to wear black because black is going to like get into the colors of this bucket hat, but white on its own is going to stand out even without anything. Do you guys grab? So I really love this bucket hat. It's really nice. Get it up with a lot of colors. Actually, that is why I really love this bucket hat. But for me today, I'm going to be going with green. And green is another color that I really love. Like, green is just that color that screams and bougie. Like, green is a very bougie color. Like, green is really beautiful. And I love the fact that green also has a lot of shades. And this particular shade of green is a shade of green that I would not usually go for. I just wanted to go for it because it kind of goes with the green on this bucket hat. Can you guys see? So it kind of complement and match each other. And that is what we are here for. Like, anytime I'm not going with my usual streetwear, I like to wear tones that would kind of match each other, and that is what is going to bring your feet out. So this bag is really nice. It's a long handbag, but I decided to wear it this way just so that I can hold it like this. For everything I have here, I didn't actually spend so much money, but by the time I'm done dressing up and having my clothes on, my shoes, everything on, I'm going to look very bougie. Like, you can't even state how much I bought all these things, and that's because you know how to dress appropriately for the amount that you have. Shoes, I decided to go a bit dramatic, and that's just how I am. I have to be dramatic this year, right? I decided to go for this long ass boot. I got this boot as a gift actually, and I really love this boot so much. So this is what it looks like. It's a thigh-high wedge size boot, as you guys can see, and it's really nice. The gown is a short gown. Obviously I have to wear something to complement it, to make me kind of take this outfit to another level. The green itself is already doing a bit of, you understand, but this boot is going to like complete this fit it's going to complete this fit to another O level. So this boot is giving what it's supposed to give. A bit of black, a bit of white, a bit of green. I just love the fact that each of the colors kind of matches each other. Simple but kind of edgy, not too expensive, but it's still giving. I bought you my money, don't talk to me. Like, it's just giving everything that's supposed to give, and that is what we are going to be giving this year. You understand? By the time you step on the ground, nobody's going to talk to you. Period. Accessories, and that's like the step 3 for me. Like, I love accessories. Like, much as the fact that clothes are important, I cannot actually like put myself out there with pictures without accessories, without rings, without bracelets, and not like never. Or a sunshade. Something has to be there. Something has to just add a bit of into the outfit. For me, I got this very nice sunshade for this fit, and as you can see, it has a bit of nude and it also has a bit of black, which kind of still goes with the whole outfit I'm trying to put together. So I decided not to go for green because green will be too much, and I decided not to go for all black because black will be too much. So I decided to go for something nude and also something black at the same time. So this glass is really nice. Accessories, I really love bogus rings like this. They are just my style. I like the fact that they always make statement for themselves. Like, you cannot catch me posting pictures, or you cannot catch me outside without a ring. Like, I always have rings on my fingers, and that's because I love rings so much. Like, they just give a bit of detailing to your pictures or to your outfit in general. So I have just 4 rings. I might not wear the 4, I might wear just 2 or 3, or it just depends on how nice I'm feeling today. But I'm going to be putting on a bit of rings. And usually I like to go for like studs like this, just the ones that kind of stays to your ear. But when I pair up everything together, if this one doesn't go, I'm changing to something like this, just so that it kind of pops out, you know, under the bucket hat. Because something like this is going to be very small with the bucket hat. But if I wear something like this, it's going to also make a statement for itself. Then for my hand, I have this very nice bracelet. This is just a simple bracelet that I can find anywhere, and I'm just going to be paying that for my hand. Fourth aspect, I'm going to be showing you guys some of my perfume collections. It just depends on the vibe I'm going for on that day. It depends on how I want to smell. It depends on where I'm going to. There's some kind of gathering, you want to smell really and some you just want to smell normal, like not too serious, just normal. And some you want to smell and choke your enemies. It just depends on what you're going for. So usually my first go-to perfume is this YSL Black Opium perfume. Like, I really love this perfume so much. The smell is not so concentrated, and it's also not so minimal, so it's somewhere in the middle. I love it so much. Like, this perfume smells really nice. Like, I feel like it's more of a guy's perfume for him to stay like the same, but I really love it. I just love this. Is usually my go-to for days where I want to go out, do you understand, but not out, if that makes sense. I love this perfume so much. Days where I just want to go to school or just something simple, I love to go for this kind of perfume. They are always like replica of some kind of perfume, and I've actually been using some of this since summer, and this is like my 3rd bottle right now, if I'm to say. And I really love them because they are not expensive, but they smell really nice. Like, I love this one. I love the way it smells. This is the sandalwood flavor, and it smells so nice. Like, it's not so expensive, but it's really nice. Like, it gives you that very nice smell. Like, you don't have to spend so much money for it to smell nice or for it to look good. So basically, this is my 2nd favorite perfume. Sorry, this is my 1st favorite perfume because this is what I use every day. Like, I use it every day. But for days where I want to just, you know, go out of my usual, I tend to use this particular YSL Black Opium perfume. This Zara Orchid perfume, the perfume that I just really got. I've not really used it a lot. The smell is actually quite concentrated. Like, when you use it and you pass to people, they'll be like, somebody just went to this place. And that is the vibe. This is the perfume that I use on the day I want to choke my enemies. I want everyone to feel them around. This is the perfume I use. So this is the next perfume that I have in my collection. These are the 3 perfume that I own. But with time, I want to get like very nice perfume, very better perfume for, you know, my scent. Like, I want to find a particular scent for myself, just so that it's kind of, you know, my thing. I know that, okay, this is my center, this is what I go for. But for now, these are the 3 perfumes that I usually go for, depending on the outing and depending on the vibe I'm going for on that day. Basically, it for, you know, the whole get ready with me. Right now, I'm going to go ahead to go put on my outfit, put everything together, and show you guys the final result of this whole get ready with me.
Take me in to the ocean, baby, let me swim. No, you drive me crazy, take a chance. Be here with me, baby,